Have you ever wondered why so many farms are closing down? And as so many farms are closing down, so many farms are being established. Quickly, I would like to discuss two main reasons why so many farms are shutting down today. We have so many reasons, but due to our time here, I would just discuss just two main reasons. Number one reason is a high cost of feed. We all know that the high cost of feed of today has sent so many farms packing. So many farms cannot afford the price of feed, which has sent them packing. We all know that that is a general problem. And number two reasons, which I would like to buttress more on, is high expectations. You know, like I do tell people, this business is a lucrative business, but fish farming is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Catfish farming money is not an oil money. It's not a business you will invest 1 million.